We made these really cheap tiki torch holders out of some cheap pots and some other stuff, and I'll show you how I made it in just a minute.
Here's what you need to make them. I've got some quickcrete, kind of just pour straight in and then just add water. Some duct tape, the tiki torch, got some little pots that we found at the store for cheap. And you can get some PVC if you want, or we have these leftover plastic pieces that came with some stakes for some solar lights to put in the ground, so we're just going to use that. Just make sure the tiki torch fits inside, and then you're good to go. All right, first thing you want to do is, what we're doing is putting some tape on the bottom of each one of these little plastic pieces, and that's just to prevent water from seeping in once we pour the water over the concrete. All right, now I've got the pot here, and I'm just going to set the plastic piece kind of right in the middle. Pour a little bit of cement. Right in the middle. Pour a little water. You can use a water hose. We just got this little water jug thing. Pour some more cement. We'll do. And then fill it up with more water. Trying to get some around the sides so it'll wash that dust off. Alright, so now all we got to do is try to keep the cement off of the edges here. Wipe it up if you got to. And then just set it in a level spot and let it dry. They've been sitting up for about an hour. Although they're not completely dry, they're still good enough to move around. So in order to hide the ugly cement, we're going to put some pond pebbles on top. And then you put the tiki torch in the thing there, and there you go. And the pebbles help to weigh it down as well. So now you can move it where you want it to go, and the cement will set up, and then they'll be rock solid. Rock solid. We made these really cheap tiki torch holders out of some cheap pots and some other stuff, and I'll show you how I made it in just a minute. Here's what you need to make them. I've got some quickcrete,